The smartphone replaced many personal gadgets, as we all have experienced. Similarly, a single AI assistant might soon replace individual apps on our devices. We might not need to switch between apps for calling, booking trips, ordering food, or managing our calendars. The benefits of having using one platform for multiple services is not new. In countries like Korea, super apps are already common. These apps offer a wide range of services within one service, allowing users to call, text, hail rides, manage banking, and even store government-issued IDs. A single service channel is more convenient. It's also more efficient, using less space on your device and data. And with fewer apps handling your personal information, there's less risk of data breaches, making it more secure. The AI assistant as the ultimate super app. Imagine an AI assistant that can do everything for you, like making calls, texting people, retrieving documents, playing music, giving you directions, purchasing things, making appointments, and handling your finances. This AI could also manage your social media, health, credit, legal matters, and more. What's missing? However, there are some things that still need to be solved. First, we need more powerful chips such as the Neural Processing Unit, NPU, in personal devices to handle these complex AI tasks. Second, we need a unified platform where different services can work together seamlessly. Third, there may be resistance from companies, including Google and Microsoft, who don't want to lose control over their services. What about our devices? AI assistants could change the way we use our devices. Traditional smartphones might become obsolete. Instead, we might see smart glasses or projectors that display information directly onto our retina or in the air. Challenges and considerations. However, there are some challenges to consider. First, managing many tasks within one AI could get overwhelming. The system needs to be simple and easy to use. Second, there's a risk of monopolies. If only a few platforms dominate, competition could die and innovation could suffer. We need to ensure there's space for competition within a platform and among different platforms. While challenges remain, the trajectory suggests a future where AI seamlessly manages our digital lives, offering more personalized, efficient, secure, and healthy interactions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of tech.